This chef is turning his grandma's Chilean recipes into sandwiches.
Sandwiches are very important to Chilean street food. We always had sandwiches at my house. So I took a bunch of things that I've been working on, primarily stuff that I really grew up eating, stuff that my grandma used to make. The carne mechada, which is a braised chuck that is braised in tomatoes, onions, peppers, oregano, garlic, some stock, really simple little slaw. Roasted pork loin, which is pork loin that I've brined for about 5 days. It gets marinated and then it gets roasted in the oven, gets sliced super thin, and then it's kind of like our deli sandwich. So roasted garlic aioli, some giardiniera, lettuce, onions, a vinaigrette, and some tomatoes.
Since this is just a pickup location, I had to grab 2 sandwiches to go.
Here I have the carne mechada. It's really juicy and tender, and you can taste every single spice that he's added in there. But then it's balanced out with this almost pickledness to it. Absolutely delicious. Slow roasted pork loin. I think this one is a little bit more tangy than the beef just because it's has the vinaigrette. He also made this pickled sauce with all these pickled vegetables that he added in here, which also really adds to the tanginess. That is also really, really good.
Pick up your Chilean sandwiches from Sandwichito at 930 St. Clair Avenue West and follow their updates on Instagram at Eat Sandwichito.